There were times in my life when I hit rock bottom, where I questioned absolutely everything. Who am I? Where am I going? I believe the only reason that I actually survived and strived through that season was only because of God. I always knew God had a bigger plan for my life, and I was resisting it until I decided it's time for me to go all in. My name is Brent, and what you will learn on this channel is that my life isn't perfect. I am still in the rebuilding phase. I have a clear blueprint on how I'm rebuilding my life financially, physically, and spiritually. What I'm going to share with you on a weekly basis is the tools, the story, and real journey on how I'm rebuilding to become the best version of myself. If this is something that you're interested in, like, share, subscribe, turn on that notification so that you don't miss a single video. This isn't just a channel, it is a movement, a mindset. How you can turn your darkest and lowest point in your life into your greatest turning point. If you are ready to grow, heal, and become the best version of yourself, hit that subscribe button and let's get to work.